Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, may reaction video tayo. Alright, dito kay Rob Trip. At ito ay isang highlight, weekly highlight, November 25 to 30. Ito ang bagong Pilipinas ni PBBM. Alright, panoorin po natin and to further ado. Ayan, intro muna tayo. Alright guys, narito ang weekly highlights dito sa RTBM. At ito ay bagong Pilipinas weekly highlights. RTBM funded a hole in a party Philippine government. Alright, panoorin po natin guys.
To emerge victorious in these arenas is to have achieved a distinction reserved for the most exceptional, not only because you have achieved such greatness in the international arena, but because you have, in doing so, you have shown once again that very important part of the Filipino culture, which is music. And it is not any music that we are now promoting. It's Filipino music.
Awesome!
Alright, ito po ay isang bagong Pilipinas weekly highlights ni PBBM. Ito po ay namigay ng mga support.
Sa ika-50 anibersaryo ng diplomatikong ugnayan ng Pilipinas at United Arab Emirates, nakipagpulong si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. kay Pangulong Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan sa Abu Dhabi upang palakasin ang kooperasyon sa ekonomiya, kalakalan at pagpapaunlad ng dalawang bansa. Nagpasalamat si Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa UAE sa tulong nitong extradition ng isang sex trafficker, pagsasanay para sa pambansang pulisya, pagpapatawad sa mahigit 143 Pilipinong nakakulong sa pagdiriwang ng Eid al-Adha at tulong para sa mga biktima ng pagbaha sa Pilipinas.
This facility, with its focus on efficiency and sustainability, speaks to our shared responsibility to build a stronger, more resilient future. Our gathering today is a testament to our collective resolve to address the flower production gap and to implement solutions that will respond to the growing demands of our nation. We will continue to create a supportive environment for our partners in the private sector through laws and agreements that promote the interests of both manufacturers and consumers alike.
Ayan, trabaho para sa bagong Pilipinas. Alright guys, napanood at napakinggan po natin. Ito ay isang bagong Pilipinas weekly highlights. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood. Pakikinig dito kay Rob Trip and see us again sa ating reaction video. Peace out. Alright, thank you guys.